talking loud, talking crazy. Got me outside, praying for the rain to come. Bones right again. Guess it's true what they say, I'm always late. Say you need a little space, that I'm in your way. It hurts that I remember every scar I've learned, but living is the hardest part. I can't believe what I did for love, and I can't believe what I did for us. Oh, crashing, we burn into flames. Stitch myself up and I do it again. I can't believe what I did for love. What I did for love. What I did for. What I did for love. What I did for love. I'm a fool for your games, but I always play. Can't admit it was a waste, it's too much at stake. It hurts, but I remember every scar. And I've learned, but living is the hardest part. I can't believe what I did for love. I can't believe what I did for love. Oh, crashing, we burn into flames. Stitch myself up and I do it again. I can't believe what I did for love. 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 I can't believe what I did for love.
Well done, Charlotte. Louise, what did you think?
Charlotte, I really applaud you for coming out and doing an upbeat song like that. It was nice to see a different side of you in terms of tempo. But I would say you did look a little bit uncomfortable, but it was probably out of your comfort zone. So my advice would be just try and interact with us a bit more. You seemed really unsure and kind of, didn't know where to look. So just have fun with it when it's an up-tempo song, look at us. I know we're not there, but look at the camera, and give us some interaction. You're so precise with the notes that you sing, and they're always spot on. Your riffs are always perfect. You've just got such a stunning voice. But I really like that you challenge yourself. I think when you record the videos in future, just be really careful of the levels. Like, record maybe a line or two and have a listen back before you carry on recording. Because that track was really low, and obviously it was a nice upbeat song and we could hardly hear the music, but that doesn't take away from your performance. That's just a bit of advice for when you record in future. But yeah, I thought it was, again, your voice is gorgeous, and I think it was a lovely vocal. Well done.
Kelly?
I thought it was a perfect song choice for you. I think Emily Sandé songs are always going to suit you. She's got a very natural, agile voice, and you're the same. You've got this really beautiful tone. Everything sort of seems quite effortless to you whilst you sing. I love the fact that you took on something up tempo, because that's completely out of your comfort zone from what we know anyway. So that just proves to us just how much your confidence has come along and how much more you believe in yourself, because you're taking on these songs that you wouldn't normally take on. I thought it was a beautiful song. Well done.
Charlotte, yeah, I mean, I've told you this before in previous performances in different seasons, that when you are doing something up-tempo like that, performance-wise, you've got to bring it to life. And that's the only thing that was missing from this today, because obviously the track was upbeat. And it was so quiet, and we got to notice that little bit of like, where you're unsure of what to do, like visually. We got to see that again, which I didn't want to see, you know, but we got to see that because the song was upbeat, and you know, you go into this zone then. So vocally, it was fab. And I like the fact that you done something different to what we've seen so far with the pianos. I like that. But remember, the same advice as before, when you do something upbeat like this, you got to do something with the performance. Even if you run around the room in circles, it doesn't matter what you do, but you've got to do something that's going to give it a bit more punch, right? The only thing I want you to take on from you, really, is pay a bit more attention to your videos. How you look, how you present yourself, the background you use. Take advantage of that. Vocally, you're on point, but take advantage of that. Well done.